your girl at, man? Oh, she over there on the. Oh, she on that side. Look, look. Hey, you might want to get in the center because it's gonna go directional. Right here on the corner, as always. How you doing?
Good. You just got fireworks going,
That's it.
Okay. Well, we changed, they've heard about 3 different stories on the way down here. Oh, okay. No, they said unknown fire, and then they said a car fire, and then they said it was fireworks. Man.
I'm so sorry you guys got caught off for this nonsense.
No, well, somebody drove by and probably wasn't sure what it was. So like I said, they called it an unknown fire, and somebody else said it was a car, and then they said it was fireworks. But no, as long as everything's okay, bud.
It's okay.
Okay. Let me just grab your name real quick. I just got to do a quick report. Just say I made contact with you. You're not gonna get a bill or anything. Perfect night for it, huh? So,
yeah, we had a good time.
All right. All right. And just some of this ignited. That was it.
Yeah,
you weren't the one that called. Somebody else did. And
obviously, somebody else did. It smoldered, and obviously, I mean, we set it off hours ago, and it smoldered, and I guess it.
Oh, okay. So you weren't just doing fireworks. This
was maybe at right at dusk, 9:30.
Oh, okay. And so this just kind of took off, and then how'd you find out about it?
Well,
burning.
We set it off over there. Yeah. And we brought it back, and it sat here and smoldered. And I went in and watched the rest of the game. I came out. It had flared up a little bit, so I hit it with the fire extinguisher, and then I hit it with the water.
Yeah, somebody just called. What's the phone number for you, Scott?